I asked ChatGPT to create a mock image of everything I put into it, and I think it nailed it perfectly. So let me show you around. All right, over here, cat head bed from PetSmart or Petco. I don't remember which one. They both love this. They do sleep in it a lot. Litter box numero uno. I hate the open litter box. There is litter all over the floor right now. No fault to them, but I hate stepping by this area and just stepping in litter. So I've looked into litter box enclosures. None of them really were the exact style I wanted. None of them are also big enough to fit like the extra large litter boxes inside of them because my girls have needs, and one of those needs is the extra large litter box. So I was like, hey, Dad, you want to help me build a litter box enclosure? And that was a year ago. We are almost finished with that project, and that will go right here. It pulls in the black, the natural wood. You will see that in one of the videos that are in this series. But I am very excited to get that in here, and I just hope that they actually use it. Baby stretchies. Extra chair that goes to my IKEA table that is currently in my living room because I like to have background noise while I work. So I have my computer out on the table in the living room right now. Over here, we have my two beautiful little kitty cats. You have anything to say? You got anything to say? No, they don't. All right, well, they're automatic feeders, their water fountain, all of that is going to get moved over into the center. There will be a sage green rug underneath it. There's going to be miniature shelves above each of them. There's going to be pictures of each of them to designate their side. They know their sides very well. Up here on this wall is going to be another wooden shelf. I have two brackets left over from the fish tank shelf that's above my fish tank. So I don't even need to buy those brackets. I already have them. I bought the board already. I just need to sand it down, cut it, and stain it. And then we'll hang that up here. But that's kind of their little area right in here. Over here, then, my IKEA table will go. It only has two chairs and it has a leaf that folds down. So it does fit perfectly here. The chair kind of sticks out to right about there, but I really don't mind that as much. It kind of helps box in the area a little bit more. That will kind of be my corner. I'm going to keep the kitty calendar, of course. And then I think I really want to get a smaller television to put on the wall over here. That way I can watch and have my background music and come over here and work and kind of have it be, yes, a cat area, but also a little working area for me. I don't have an office area. It's just a one bedroom apartment. So this is also, that would also kind of play into like an office area slash kitty nook area. When I first moved in here, from here down was all a poop brown color. I will insert a picture. It was awful. So the first thing I did was just repaint this to match the color that the rest of the walls were. The top part was already this tan color, and there was leftover paint, so I just repainted the bottom half. And then while I was doing that, I was like, oh, I'll touch up some other areas, thinking that it would match because it's the same paint, but the paint must have been sitting in the washer dryer area for quite a while. And you can see that the areas I touched up do not match the previous area. So I do want to go back in and just repaint the top so this doesn't stick out as much and look weird. One other thing I hate is all of the cords that sit behind their automatic feeders and their water fountain. I'm trying to figure out a way to hide that. I haven't figured it out yet, though. They are both patiently waiting for their food right now. This light is so ugly. I wish I could replace it, but It is here to stay. But one thing I would really love to do for them, like once everything's done in here, is to then add a cat highway. I think that would be so much fun for them. That would be the dream. If you don't know what a cat highway is, I'll put in a picture. I love it. I think they're so cool where they could just like jump from one area up here, over here, and just have that height that reminds them of their natural instincts. So I feel like that would just be the cherry on top. And I don't even like cherries, so give me like sprinkles and double the icing on top. I need to clarify that's maraschino cherries that I don't like. I like regular cherries. I don't know how long it's going to take. It's going to be a series, it's going to be different parts, but I am excited to see how it turns out. And I hope the vision that ChatGPT and I created comes to life. In the end, I am just excited to have this space not look how it looks right now and be able to decorate it with just a bunch of cat things. We will see how that goes. That is the plan, though. Will it turn out that way and will it look like this mock image? I have no idea. I hope so. I'm confident, but we will see.